Good morning and welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing something different. I will pull three cards each for you and your person. So it will be a you versus them reading. What's the current situation for you and for your person? Or what are your current feelings, your thoughts, and the same for your person. So let's check what comes out. So I'll place three cards over here and three cards over here. Just see which energy matches you. So that those will be your cards. So the first card is playfulness, soulmate, and trust. And for the second pile, we have very soon, keep an open mind, and release your ex. So for this reading, it feels like this is the feminine energy and this is the masculine energy. I'm not talking about gender, I'm talking about energy because all of us have feminine energy and masculine energy. So for this side, it says you have to recapture romance. You have to allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. So let your inner child out. Okay, you can just be playful around the person. And it says soulmate. So this is your soulmate. The person that you are dealing with, that is your soulmate. And this situation is calling for you to have faith because this is your soulmate. Okay, and with your soulmate, you can always be completely yourself. You don't have to put on a facade or a mask, okay, to show a different face. You can be 100% your authentic self when you are with your soulmate because they bring it out in you. So the playfulness automatically comes when you are with the right person. And if you were wondering, then the universe is saying that yes, this is your soulmate. And trust the universe. Have faith that if you feel things are not working out or anything like that, then just have faith that it will all happen in divine timing. And for this side, it says the person is being asked to clearly decide what you want so that it can come to you. Because when you don't have enough clarity in mind, then the universe doesn't know what you want. Okay, so it's not able to give you what you desire. So focus properly on what it is that you want, and you will get it very soon. Focus your mind and keep an open mind. Maybe this person is very reserved and they could be having doubts about whether you are the right person for them. So the universe is asking them to keep an open mind because you might not be the kind of people that they have been with in the past. And it also says to release your ex. So maybe they have separated, or maybe they were dating someone previously, or they could be divorced, but they are not able to let go of their ex completely. Maybe they still have some feelings or a kind of attachment, or it could be because they had a kid together or something like that. So they need to clear their energy before they can come forward. Once they release their energy, then they can see the possibilities with you. and they will get clarity that you are meant for them. So, this is what the universe is saying, that you have to be yourself. Okay, this is your soulmate, and it will be very positive for you if you wait for them and have faith in the universe. And for them, the universe has a message to let go of their ex completely, release the ex's energy, and keep an open mind. And so they can gain clarity about what they want, and they will come to you. Once they get the clarity, then the universe will bring you back together. Okay, so that was the reading. Yeah. Tell me how you like it. I would like to know your comments because this is the first time I've done such a reading. So I would welcome your comments, any suggestions that you have. And do subscribe to my channel for daily guidance videos, different kinds of videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of that. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye.